you suck, cause now I did it. Well, what we're doing here is she's doing this corn in the microwave. Ha! I thought I was recording at first, but I wasn't. Now I am. So what you gonna put it on? Don't worry. When you go to turn around, I won't put your face on. I was about to say, come on now, shortstop.
Shut up.
Oops,
Sorry.
We're trying it. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see how this try out. I'm scared she gonna blow on me.
That's what I'm saying.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Done.
Ain't nobody got time. Ooh, I forgot about this.
Done.
Whew. And there's some rice in there. I will show you what I got in my hand, but I can't.
It's not Snapchat. If it sparks anything, turn that shit off. So we ain't doing that.
She said, if it's sparked, where you going?
The bathroom.
Oh, you just gonna leave me in here with the flames?
If you wasn't right there, I would leave the door open.
Let's see how this turns out. And we'll be back with part 2.